They say the strongest keep surviving till the ending. When the nigga kept crying, my soul replenished. Path kept me in line from phony niggas. You gotta, I'll call the past just like some pictures. Why they do, they did, no question. Curses turn into blessing, my life is a movie, it's so in the rest of me going so smoothly, next minute you stressing, oh. Living in the moment, I'm just taking it slow. Those negative vibes, I promise I'm letting them go. This is all assimilation, what else life is a game. You put in position to sell your soul for the life, for the fame. Perfecting my vision on lonely nights, meditating in the rain. Like a hamster in this train, negative thoughts in your brain. So look, it's on your energy, let's be family, come and raise the love. We are not enemies, you are a part of me, homie, just unplug. I hope you are feeling me, conscious activities making you raise the above. You don't gotta be a thug, but every thug need a hug. Young nigga, got an old ass soul that was taught to obey and just respect the code. Well, fuck that, I spoke up, they say I'm acting bold. At least I believe in what I know and not what I was told. The strongest keep surviving till the ending. When the nigga kept crying, my soul replenished. Path kept me in line from phony niggas. You gotta, I'll call the past just like some pictures. Why they did what they did, no question. Curses turn into blessing, my life is a movie, it's all in the rest of me going so smoothly, next minute you stressing, oh. Living in the moment, I'm just taking it slow. Those negative vibes, I promise I'm letting them go. It's Taco Tuesday. Say man, look. Y'all wanna learn how to make these spectacular vegan, walnut, mushroom tacos? Just stay tuned in, man, to the end of the video. Bow. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chosen One Rising. And another video, man. Feel me? Man, I hope y'all mess with that freestyle that I showed y'all in the previous clip. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think we finna raise the vibe or what? I think we finna raise the vibration? Let me know, bro. But y'all go ahead and comment down below. But let me go ahead and get to the video. So today we're gonna be making vegan tacos, bro. And I'm ready to just step-by-step process, and this shit gonna be good. These niggas in here finna crush. Feel me? They gonna like it. You gonna like it if you make it right. But let's get into it. So I kind of skipped the steps. One step actually, and that's really just telling y'all this, right? You have to soak the walnuts, right? So you have the first step, go get you some walnuts, right? Go get you some walnuts, and you soak them. You feel me? Overnight, or you could do it for 12 hours if you really that much hungry or you starving and shit. Go ahead and just soak this in here for like overnight. Soak this in here overnight, and then the next thing you want to do is, once they done soaking, you want to put them, use the same water, or if you need to add more water and boil them, right? So I already boiled them. They look like this, look. So when you boil them for like 40 minutes, right? So I went ahead and boiled them for 40 minutes, and I had the top over it, feel me? You gotta have the top over it when you cooking this, feel me? So I went ahead and boiled it, took it off, and when you boil it with the water, like make sure the water is like raising over top of the food, feel me? So it's supposed to be like this. Look at this is a walnut right here, bro. I mean, it's supposed to feel like this. See how this look? Breaking up like this. That's how you know you did it right, feel me? So, yeah. Then, what you wanna do is, I wash my hands, y'all. I chop it up. Next thing you wanna do is chop it up. I'm gonna show y'all this step. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this before y'all. Next thing you wanna do is chop it up. Pay attention to how I'm cutting them up with the knife first. So you can get to a point when you get so good at boiling, you don't have to use a knife. You can use a spoon, because that's how great the walnuts break up. So for this example, you want to boil these for overnight. Just be patient, because they're gonna come out great. And you want that meaty texture when you're cooking tacos. Feel me?
this is how it's supposed to look right here. I'm bring it a little closer to y'all. Made it focus. So it kind of look like cheesesteak, bruh. No, it look like ground beef for real, but you know what I mean? Look at this. That's how you want it to look, bruh. You know what I mean? And again, I'm not no cooking professional, but I know how to cook vegan food, bro. So next step, let's cut up the mushrooms. And these are the mushrooms that I'm using today, green wise. I mean, I ain't sponsoring them or nothing, man, but these are organic, so you gotta go with these, bro. So I'm gonna show y'all how to cut these joints up. You know, man, I love being a vegan so much I can eat them like this, man. I may have more than you when I'm cooking. It's just because I'm cooking for more than one person. You see what I'm saying? But if you're cooking just for yourself, just make enough for yourself. Because you may end up with leftovers too, because the walnuts really break up really small. You see how right here on the left hand side they broke up pretty small. But I'm just chopping up these mushrooms and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up. So what you seeing me do right here is putting the mushrooms inside the pot. This is how we actually get the taco meat started. Vegan taco meat started. If you didn't know already, you put the mushrooms and now the walnuts going in. So this is really all you need. You don't have to put no peppers, no onions. That's just what I'm going to do in the future. So do what you like. Whatever you like to put in your so-called ground beef when you do make it, go ahead and treat it the same way, because that's exactly what we're doing. So this is the next step. I already emptied out the seasoning that I'm gonna use for this. I'm using the seasoning. Use some seasoning that you already have open, so you won't waste nothing. That's what I do. You can do what you want though, feel me? We don't waste shit over here. So, get the spoon. What we gonna use? We use this, man. It's like you really act like you cooking real food, bro. Not act like you don't know what you're doing. It just this stuff doesn't affect your health like the meat does. So it dead ass look like meat. Like I said previously. The mushrooms, they're gonna shrink. They're gonna shrink. Like, they're gonna just get smaller. Feel me? So you're gonna cook it up, mix it up like you really making tacos. That's all I had to say. So this is the same pot, same top, same pot that I used for the walnuts. You feel me? So this gonna be good. And like, look it up. You know what I mean? Let it cook through. Like I could have put too much water in here, bro, but we don't know until we find out. You know what I'm saying? So it's really in the sauce, feel me? Really in the sauce, bro. So I really just used 1 pack. So I'm gonna use 1.5 pack. You see what I'm saying? Just be a little. You know what I mean? Just don't hurt. A little bit more. It's starting to look like Taco Tuesday over here, partner. So, you know what I mean? Look, you see? And that junk cook out, this is real. You know what I mean? Real vegan shit. You know what I'm saying? We almost done. I mean, like, chosen every the fuck I'm coming. Damn. Let it don't cook through. Let it cook through. Or if you're impatient, go drain the water out. But until then, we're almost done. Not gonna lie to y'all, man. This cooking stuff can get kinda stressful. So, lunch break. vegan pizza recipe coming real soon. Don't worry, y'all. I'm not eating over the food. Not touching the food. I wash my hands all the way through. Understand me? This stuff I'm doing, eating while you're cooking, you gotta wash your hands because other people's eating, bro. And even if you're not good for nobody else, nigga, wash your hands. That's it, man. So you see what I'm ready to do. I'm ready to go ahead and put me in some red onions, bro. Feel me? That's what I like in it. You know what I mean? So you cut up you some red onions and just give it some good flavor, you know what I mean? Some good texture. The taco meat is basically already done, but we just need to add the essential things. So we're gonna go ahead and get the onions in. We'll cut the onions up. Then we're gonna go ahead and get that green pepper cut up, green and red pepper. So, you know what I mean? You know my intentions I'm setting. First we doing the crown chakra. You see what I'm saying? And then we doing now the heart chakra and the root chakra. That's the intentions I set in it. So I just feel like my food, you know, it magically works like that. Just the intention you put in, the energy, you know, the love you put in your food. So we cutting up them green peppers. So I feel like 3 is the magic number, man. 3, 6, 9. The best things come in 3. So I went ahead, only cut 3 peppers. 3 things, 1 onion and 2 peppers. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in, and we're finna get everything mixed up. Now you're gonna start chefing, turn this shit down. I had this shit too high. So now you turn it down, you start chefing. And for the finishing touches, you're gonna go ahead, add a little, you know what I mean, salt on it, you feel me? You gotta get this, bro. This is finishing touch. It's already done, so this is like the last thing you should do. So, you don't. Ready to serve. So what you wanna do, you can go ahead and get the guac, man. Homemade, whatever you wanna put on it, man. Get that. Do the hot sauce, man. This I mess with the mild sauce. Mild sauce is good on it. You know what I mean? And the vegan cheese, bro. You finna get right. You see what I'm saying? When I throw down, I throw down. Feel me? And then gotta get the kale. So look, so what I'm gonna do? Some fresh guac on there. Guac, my bad. I ain't talking about no walk. About Keisha. But I'm going to get this on here. Actually, my boy put me on with this. I don't really do this a lot, but I'm doing it this time. You know, with a V. So you gotta get some. Put some right there. There you go. Put a little bit right there. Matter of fact, I'm tripping. What you want to do first, this how I make mine. I'm tripping. This how I make mine. Go ahead and do this. Break this up. You know what I mean? Oh, you thought I was finished? No! Look, right there. Go ahead and get that ready. There you go ahead. Alright, see, this was expired yesterday. So, fuck it, we ready to see. How it supposed to smell? So I'm kinda new to hummus. I wanna pass on this, bro. I don't know if this is, nah, hell nah. I'm not getting sick for nobody. So then we gonna go ahead, you know what I mean? Put this on here. Alright. And voila. Vegan tacos. You know what I'm saying? It's finna get crazy. There you go, man. There you go. Give me my ring. Give me my ring. I'm gonna try to sign it. Chosen one, Rising, bro. I do this cooking shit. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all want some more cooking video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. And I'm out, man. Damn.